gonna tell me where you went? All the messages I sent with no reply. It's like that. You're just gonna walk into my room. I hate how you assume I'll take the pleasure and the pain, the sorrows in your brain.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new, my name is Ruth, and if you're returning, thank you so much for coming back. So I completely forgot to shoot an intro, so I apologize for that. But I hope you do enjoy this vlog and join the family by subscribing if you haven't already. Hi guys, so I just got home and I thought I should show you guys what I went to get. So it's basically a silicone kitchen set, kitchen utensil set thingy. Yeah, that's how the box looks, the packaging or whatever. So I got it from Strawberry. It's a shop in Game City. It's like a gift shop, sells cool things. So it's like a set. It has everything. The whisk, which is quite small, but yeah, the brush, everything that you can need in the kitchen. So yeah, this is like a charcoal color, and then it has this cup thingy that you're gonna just put these inside. So I bought this from Mahalape. Yeah, so yeah, I really like this. They had different colors. There's a green color right here and a pinkish color. If I find pictures, I'll put them on the display. And this was 400 at the time that I was labeling this, but it's now 406. I think there was like a 2% increase in the VAT thingy. But yeah, I really love this. So yeah, I didn't eat anything when I woke up. Well, I mean, when I left for the shops, I haven't had breakfast. So I'm gonna make a sandwich, but I've already done that in my vlog, like in my previous vlog. So yeah, it's just an omelette sandwich, but I'm not gonna use like brown bread this time because they didn't have white bread at Spar. And then also I attempted to get the pots, like the pen set that they have, the MasterChef thingy. And then the lady said that they're having trouble discounting the pens and pots. So I should try maybe later or tomorrow or whatever, but they will fix it. So yeah, I didn't manage to get that, but otherwise I think I got everything that I wanted. I wanted to get the silicone sky sheets. I wanted clicks, they didn't have them, but I asked my friend to bring them. I'm actually waiting for her. We're gonna shoot a video today. So yeah, I'm just gonna have breakfast while waiting for her. My cousin is also getting ready. Then I'll see. So I'll see you guys later if we get up to something interesting. Hi guys. Hi. I'm greeting you guys from Mahalape. I came yesterday, guys. I managed to come, and yeah. So it is the next day. I managed to come. Yesterday I went to, on my way here, my friend was gonna drop me by the where I can catch a bus. So we decided to get in Spa Airport Junction, and we found the pots that I was looking for from Spa. Hold on. Yeah, as I was saying, I managed to get the pens from Spa. I'll put a little clip here somewhere. So now I want to do a little bit of grocery shopping. It's actually still very early in the morning. I think it's like 2:09. So yeah, I just thought I should take you guys with. So let's go. Hi guys, I'm back home. So let me just take you through what I got quickly. So that's just some spices, some yeast, prunes, and raisins, aromat, soap, some bananas, beef stock because I use that a lot, oyster sauce, cooking oil, my favorite sauce, sweet cheese sauce, some onions, starch, support local, that's sugar, some snacks. I got this because I want to bake, but I actually do eat it. I love dark chocolate. Then some tomatoes, cocoa because I want to bake. Noodles, I want to make like a stir fry. Chicken livers, I love these so much. Skinny fries, love. Chicken, obviously, you know, there's bread, cheese, lot cheese, some juice, obviously. So yeah, we didn't really get much. It was just top-ups from what we already have in the house. So yeah, that's it. Guys, I just made these skinny fries with a little dagwood. So yeah, I'm gonna dig in. This one is almost bent, but let me just show you guys. There's a mess in the sink, so don't mind that. It's my baby's birthday. Yeah, so it's another day in the vlog. We literally drove to Palape. We were looking for a cake and then we're gonna go for dinner. I literally forgot that Woolies has stopped selling cake, but we really wanted the one from there. Didn't find it, obviously. Checked Square Mart, they didn't have nice cakes, but we ended up settling for a cake nonetheless. So yeah, me being a very nice girlfriend, I made breakfast for my boyfriend. You enjoyed it? You did? Okay, that's good. So yeah, now we're gonna go for dinner. We're gonna go to Capello. Yeah, it's literally just in the next mall. So yeah, I will include just a little bit of snippets from the night. I'll also show you guys what I made for breakfast somewhere on the screen, okay? So yeah, let's go. Let's go. It's a big mistake. I don't want to come back to the same path. I'm feeling lazy. I don't want to go back. You're the big error. birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Can I get another cut the cake?
Hey. Happy birthday, dear baby. Happy birthday to you. How old are you now? How old are you now?
41.
Happy birthday to you. Hip hip.
Hooray!
Cut the cake. You don't have any candles. You would make a wish.
Another candle, not mentions.
Oh yeah. Kachaya, but
It's an ancient Japanese.
So guys, today I'm going to show you how to sanitize with my mom sanitize. First you put some sanitize close. There you go. And then you rub. And then you do like this. And then you scrub, and like this. And you scrub. What?
nothing.
Don't you wanna join me? And
You're
then you
already done.
Oh my god. You scrub like Vaseline.
Yeah. Your hair needs to be oiled. It's so dry.
Ow! Tiki.
Yeah. We should oil it tomorrow morning, eh?
Ow!
Tomorrow.
Tiki.
Sorry.
Ow! Tiki.
How
You
was
know
school
that
today?
I have some ice.
Ice?
Yeah, ice.
What do you mean ice?
Ice.
Ice
In
what?
a plastic.
Oh, ice. Oh, okay.
Not ice for putting into a cut.
Yeah.
I have ice at extension.
Come on, wear something warm. Why can't you wear like your onesie?
Hey.
Hi guys! So I just got home. Let me throw this away. I just got home from Mahalape and yeah. Did you miss me?
Of course, didn't I tell you that?
You did.
Now why are you telling me again and I? And 100 times and 5 million.
Is it a problem if I do?
Of course. Are you sanitizing? Showing them how to sanitize?
No, I'm sanitizing because I was holding my mask. I was throwing it away.
Show them how to sanitize. And then you do
I'm
like
already
this,
done.
guys. Oh.
Teacher, I'll show them next time. So I'm just gonna unpack my stuff. This is what I brought, guys. Literally, every time I go to my halape, I leave with so many things. When I come back,
But Mom, why don't you go with me at my halape?
because you're going to school.
I mean when you are closed though.
Okay.
Because August you are closing school. And you are not even gonna go with me.
I'm gonna go with you when you're close. Don't
You
worry.
small pants.
Small pants.
Yeah.
You are small pants. You're a small one.
Hey, you.
So let's just prep everything. My makeup. I think most of these things are dirty, actually. Yeah, they need to go into the basket.
You brought a lot of
I
things.
brought a lot of things, girl. Brought a lot
Hey.
of things.
Now, guys,
All these need to be washed tomorrow.
I have mobako, and my mom shouted at me saying I should not eat my makoka. I mean,
Mobako at home.
mobako.
Yes, because mobako is expensive. But when I buy mobako,
Expensive.
I buy mobako enough for a week. You always eat it in 2 days. For what?
Are you kidding me?
I'm not. Mobako is very expensive. You know that.
Mobako is very cheap.
Wait, bring the money then, so that I will buy.
Yela.
I will see you in a bit.
Hi guys.
What's the matter?
So guys, I don't know how to sing. Girl on Fire by Alicia Keys, but I'm going to try to sing it, but I don't know how to sing it. But I know how to start it, but not nicely though, because I didn't hear the Angelica Hill singing it because she was singing fast.
Who's Angelica? What?
Angelica Hill.
Who's that?
She was singing Girl on Fire by Alicia Keys
Where?
on my phone
How do you know her?
because I saw the name of her
Where?
in my phone.
Okay.
Guys, do you even know Angelica Hill singing Girl on Fire by Alicia Keys? Oh, I know you know. She's just a girl and she's like you. Better than a fantasy, better than a highway. She's just a girl and she's on fire. This girl is on fire. This girl is on fire. She's walking on fire. This girl is. This is my fight song. Don't take my fight. Don't take my life song. This is my fight song.
Oh,
Yeah.
I have the idea. I have no idea what song it is, but I don't know the song.
Okay,
I don't know how
guys.
to sing it. Sorry.
Do you know how to sing Girl on Fire by Alicia Keys?
I was just singing it with you. Although I don't know the whole song, but yeah.
But yeah, you know it.
Yeah. So I need to change into my onesie. Then I'll talk to you guys. Say bye.
Bye.
Anyway, guys, I arrived home, like I said. So the last time I vlogged properly was on Saturday when we went for the dinner. So I was just gonna say, okay, we went there because we thought we were gonna have like better food. Obviously, we had a choice between Cresta Mahalape and Capello, but we decided to go to Halape mainly because we wanted to get a cake there, but also decided to get dinner there. So I hope you guys can see it properly. So they didn't have dessert at all. Like not even a slice of cake, not even ice cream. They did not have dessert at all, which is kind of a bummer because
They didn't have anything there, but it was Kosata's birthday. Her friend.
anyway, which is a bummer because we wanted to have like a really nice day and actually celebrate him, you know. But it's okay, it's alright, you know. We had fun, we enjoyed the food. I'm sure you guys can tell by the clips that I included. The food was done, which I did not expect. It was actually very nice. It was actually very, very nice. It was extremely warm. It was really, really warm. They had like these outdoor heater things that use gas, so it was really, really warm outside. We chose to stay outside, but there was space inside, which was warm as well inside, I believe. So yeah, basically this is it. I know this vlog is very short. So what was I gonna say? I barely vlog when I'm in Mahalape because there's nothing much to do. I'm always home. Literally, I cook, Netflix. So the only thing that I would shoot when I'm there would basically be like meals, like maybe what I eat in a day, or just meals, baking, trying out recipes and stuff.
Oh, Mom, I forgot.
But wait, let me finish, okay? But the only problem is that I only have one tripod and it's quite big and it stays here because most of my time I'm here. So I can't cook and shoot at the same time. I'm very terrible at that. I've tried it, you guys know I've tried it before. Even in this vlog, I tried. But it just doesn't work out. So I think I'll have to invest in another tripod or at least something that can hold my phone in angles where I can show you guys when I'm cooking. So that at least I have something to vlog when I'm there. And maybe just try and explore a bit of Mahalape. Maybe there are things to do in Mahalape or Palape, which is very close by. So I'll improve on that. I'll improve. Sorry for the short vlog, but yeah. You were saying, oh, bye guys. Thank you so much for watching this vlog, and I hope you do join the family by subscribing. Yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. It's actually my birthday soon, and I don't know. It doesn't feel like it's my birthday soon. I don't know why.
And my friend is turning. My friend is school though. And mom,
Which
I forgot
friend
to
is that?
tell you.
Yeah.
It's Pal.
Oh, okay.
I forgot to tell you that Rakari was saying, I think Scooby should cook pancakes tomorrow. But she was speaking Setswana.
Me? Why?
I don't know. So guys, click the bell for subscribing and like our video forever. Bye.
I don't think they can see you.
Hey,
Okay, bye guys. We'll see you guys
click the bell.
next week. Hopefully my birthday will be interesting so that I can vlog for you guys. I mean, I'll vlog nonetheless, but I hope it'll be something interesting. So yeah, what are you gonna get me for my birthday?
What should I get you though?
You know what I want? I want a car. I want a car.
That's so expensive.
Okay, it's fine. I want... You know what I want? I want glasses.
What
Stemless. I want stemless glasses. Like stemless wine glasses. And I also want like flutes. Champagne glasses. Really nice from Checkers.
2 glasses only. 2 presents only.
No, I don't like only 2 because one can break. So maybe like 4 or 6.
400.
No, just 4 or 6 or 8. Maximum, but maximum 8.
Or 20.
No, 20 is too much. So, yeah.
Or 100,000,000.
No, that's way too much. So that's what I want. You can get me that, or you can take me for a massage.
Massage?
Like a
What's
procedure,
Okay.
the whole body.
Okay.
Guys, until it.
I will.
But you're gonna be at school. My birthday's on Monday,
Oh.
or you can do it on Sunday.
Maybe I'll bring the presents on Saturday though, so that Monday I cannot be tired going everywhere.
Going to school.
I mean Monday.
Yeah.
Going everywhere in school and then I go.
Okay.
So let me just buy the presents on Saturday or Friday though. Or
Okay,
Sunday.
Jamie. How much do you have?
I don't have money though.
Then what are you gonna buy my present with?
I'll just find something. I'll just do a card.
Okay, no problem. Thank you.
I'm going to.
It's time for you to go eat. You need to go eat, and then we cut your nails, and then we oil your hair. Okay?
Yes.
Let's go.
So guys.
Roll slippers.
Ooh. So guys, did you pause it?
Oh, I don't. What do you want to say?
So guys, mom is turning on Monday, so it's either I'm getting a present on Friday or Saturday or Sunday, because Monday I will be at school and working. I'll be doing everything at school and then I come to the shops, but that's not even what
Possible.
possible. Yeah, possible. Thanks mom for reminding me.
Mm-hmm.
So guys, you need to sanitize your hands and wash your hands with soap thoroughly.
Okay, teacher.
Hey,
Okay, let's go.
yeah, the one who is a teacher.
No.
Yes.
No, girl.
Yes.
I could never be a teacher. I don't have the patience.